at the outreach event for Train the Trainer program for our teachers. Now this program has happened in Ashanti region, Eastern region, and this is a Greater Accra edition. We've implemented this program across board because we want the teachers who are putting in application with the teams to understand what the program is about. GSTEP believes Africa can solve our own problems by equipping ourselves with the needed skills we need to be able to solve these problems. To do that, GSTEP is a tool we are using as a prize challenge to help young people identify the problems within their communities to help them solve these problems.
I'm so excited to be part of GSTEP right from the onset. I've been a mentor for 2 consecutive times, and I must say that the program has really helped me in the way I do mentor students.
The new thing about 2025 GSTEP, they've gotten all the teachers on board, empowering us, taking us through all the processes so that each and every school will be able to join. For the previous years, I don't think we had that experience. They should continue coming out with more creative and innovative ways of getting GSTEP to all other schools.
We are aiming at mitigating the devastating impacts of water pollution on human health.
I can see from the faces of my teachers that they are enjoying what they were doing. Some are on board for the first time, but I think the enthusiasm, the zeal for what they are doing, I think is wonderful. And I think today's outreach program has been so wonderful and very successful.
So this technology is going to help to power our urban areas.
So we are opening applications by 11th October. And so the expectation is that when they are back in their schools, they will gather the students within the schools to run these sessions that we have run here with them. This has been a wonderful experience for us. We are really looking forward to having innovative ideas and great inventions coming out of this year's challenge.